Good morning, my Fixin family. Hope y'all are having a great day. It has been a long time since I've done the $100 lottery vending machine challenge, so I thought we'd do that today at my favorite Albertsons. Thought I'd take you along with me, so I'll meet you inside. All right, here we are. And they've got new Christmas tickets. That's awesome. Did that peppermint pay out? No, looks like they just have the Nutcracker one. All right, let's look. But do they? No, winter words. All right, let's load it up with $100. All right, 100 in the machine. I checked the trash. Somebody played out the 50, 100, 500 till the end. Looks like somebody may play the 50 times cash word, so let's get one of those if they've got it. Where's it at? There it is. Yeah. Get one of these. Let's see. That is on ticket number 14. And then we're gonna have to play some Christmas tickets, so let's get 3 of the Nutcracker. 2, 3. Let's see. Ooh, brand new pack, 71. 70. And 69. And let's get, let's see. What do we want? What do we want? Let's get, wow, I don't know what to get. I don't know what to get. Not Texas. I'm trying to give myself the best chance to make a profit. So let's do, oh my goodness, what to do, Matt? Let's do 3 of the Day of the Dead. So many decisions. Let's see, 61. 60. And 59. And then we need, what do we left? We already lost count. All right, we're at 60. All right, 60. So let's do power 100 times. And that is number 32. And then let's do 50 less. 50 left. Let's do, no, let's do the 500 times $20 ticket. Let me look at that. What's that? Number 15. And we got 30 left, right? All right, so let's go big. Let's do 1 Premier Cash. I think that's a pretty good selection. Let's see, where's that? Where you at? And it's gonna be ticket number 10. All right, let's take all these back and see how we do. All right, I'm back. Let's see how we do on the $100 lottery vending machine challenge. Again, here's what we got. Premier Cash, ticket number 10. $20 500 times, ticket number 15. Power 100 times, ticket number 32. The 50 times cash word, it is on 14. And then 3 of the Nutcracker. We'll play them as they came out of the machine, which have been 71 through 69. And we'll start off with Day of the Dead, 61, all the way through 59. All right, just takes 1. But maybe we'll find lots of big winners today. Up top, we're looking for 2 matching and the bonus to win. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's win on the first one. 10, 5. Then 3 matching symbols to win, 2 with money bag, double surprise. All right, let's see if we can't turn a profit. All right, any chances? Nothing on that side. All right, let's try this side. We have a heart chance. Okay. All right. All right. Can we get triple hearts or money bag? We've got, nope, a chest on that one. All right. 61. Let's try ticket number 60. All right. Let's get the bonus. 10. Oh, 100. Okay. Thought we had it. Thought we had it. And we've got necklace chance. All right, let's try it over here. All right, we've got heart chance, guitar chance, shirt chance. I like the chances. All right, let's see if we can start off with triple necklaces or money bag. Nope, that's a diamond. Can we get triple hearts? Or money bag, guitars, shirts, and that's it. All right, nothing. All right, let's see if it's on the third ticket. Third time's a charm. It's 59, maybe. All right. Let's get it. 100. Nope, 50. Well, let's hit that money bag. All right, we've got cherry chances, dice chances, pot of gold chances. All right, like our chances so far. Let's hit that money bag in the first reel here. No, let's see. Note chance. Sun chance. Lemon chance. Ooh, we got a lot of chances this time. All right, let's see if we can't convert this into a win. Starting with cherries. Dice. Pot of gold. Over here, notes. Can we get musical notes? No. Okay. And sun and lemons. Last two chances. Sun. Last chance lemons. Oh, and bones. Nothing on our Day of the Dead. Let's try some Nutcracker. 71. Must just loaded these. This is a match and win. If you get these stocking, it's an auto win. Wreath is double. Tree is 5 times. Nutcracker is a win all. All right, let's do it. 21, 35, 2, 32, 29, or one of those beautiful symbols. Got a 21. We got a win. All right, we're not going to bust. See if we can get something else. We haven't had one with more than one match yet. Last row, 16, 30, 18, 27, and a 12, matching 21s. What are we starting off with? We're starting off with, hey, $5. All right. Got 2 more. Ticket number 70. See if we can't go back to back. 27, 9, 6, 38, 29. I like these challenges because it really makes you stop and think about your ticket selection. Doesn't always work out, but I like these challenges. All right, last row. 17, 11, 34, 20, 14. Can we get one more win on Nutcracker? Let's hope so. 69. All right, be the ticket. 11, 25, 38, 40, and a 14. Or Nutcracker. Let's find the Nutcracker. That'd be awesome. All right, last row. Come on, Nutcracker cash. 32, 9, 21, 19, and we're just getting back 5 out of 15. Let's see if the person playing this ticket left a winner behind. Ticket number 4. I didn't want to dig too deep. I saw some other ones in there. I don't know if they were on 15. We got 14. I don't know. Sometimes they, have a budget and just kind of run out of money. So there might be a winner left behind. All right, only 2 words for a break even on this ticket. And if you do win, you have a chance to multiply if we get matching multiplier symbols. All right, so let's see what our letters are first. There's an A and an O, but an I or E. There's a U. All right, no I or E. We have SRT. All right, so no I or and E. Let me get this straightened out here. No E, right? No I or E. All right, any letters that have, any words have I or E, we're just going to skip right over them. All right, let's see how we do. Snack. S. We have no N, do we? No N. E, E, N. There's an I and an E and an E and an E. Gap. They'll give you at least one. G-A with P. No P. And there's an E. There's an I and rug. We've got rug. Just need one more. There's an E and cup. No P, right? No P. No P. No P. No E. No E. No N. No E. No N. No E. No. We have curb. C-U-R. We need a B. No B. All right, let's try the next one. All right. There's an E and 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 no P. There's an E, there's an E, there's an E, and there's an E. There's an E and an E and an E and no P. There's an N, there's an E, there's an E. We must have room, I bet. R-O, yep, we have room. Just need one more. There is oak. We have a K. Oh, come on, give us a K. No K. There's an E and an E and an E. All right, it's going to come down to game number 3. All right, let's do it. An I and an E and 4. We have 4. Well, give us one. Give us one. There's an E and gift. No I. There's N. There's an E. There's an I. Oh, there's an E. No win. Ooh, 50 would have been nice. All right, nothing or 50 times cross. All right, let's try one power 100 times. Ticket number 32. We need 2 matching in the power spots. Let me zoom in just a little bit. There we go. One power 100 times. Let's do it. Spade. Bar. Bill. No, all right, can we get the 100 spot? Profit session if we do. Silver bar. How about right here? Clover. Nope, and a sun. Now we need stars over here, 20 or 100 times. Oh, we got to win. All right. Very good. You never know. We've had some big single matches. All right, what do we have? Under that beautiful star, we have got, hey, $30 winner. All right, almost half back now. We're at 35. And we've got 2 big tickets left. All right, 500 times, ticket number 15. Up top, we're looking for 2 matching prize amounts to win in the bonus. All right, we're doing okay, doing okay. 30, 200, 50, 20. Now this is a match and win. 10, 20, 500 times symbol possibility. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. All right, well, that 30 helped. 7, 36, 60, 55, 46, 45, 42, 31, 38, 54. All right. Or multiplier. Oops, that focused? Yeah. All right, 2 more rows. See if there's something hanging out here at the end. All right, last row. 53, 47, 9, 56, last spot save, and 29. It's going to come down to Premier Cash. Now, there are no break-evens on this ticket. They start at $50. So ticket number 10, we need 2 matching symbols Let me try to get that one screenshot. Yeah, 2 matching symbols in the bonus to win. Come on, let's do it. Pot of gold. It's hard to get a win on, but I thought we better give ourselves a chance. Crown. Ladybug. Nope. All right, and this is a match and win. Gold bar is the auto win. 2, 10, or 20 times symbol. Okay. 31, 36, 21, 15, 50, 35, 37, 8, 43, 39. Gold bar or multiplier. Can we win on the very last ticket? All right, last 2 rows. Not over to the last spot is scratched. All right, last row. On Premier Cash. 32, and very last spot. Can we get it? 26 or 26? No, 26. Hey, thank goodness for the 100 times. Not bad. 30. Hey, we got $35 back. That was a lot of fun. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Y'all go find some big winners today. Y'all have a great and lucky rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.